Hey everyone! Today, we're making bacon-wrapped dates, the ultimate sweet and savory appetizer that's perfect for parties, holidays, or just a delicious snack. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need for these irresistible bacon-wrapped dates. 12 large medjool dates, pitted 6 slices of bacon, cut in half 12 whole almonds or pecans, optional, 2 ounces goat cheese or cream cheese, optional, 1 TBSP honey toothpicks for securing optional garnish, fresh rosemary or thyme for extra flavor, a drizzle of balsamic glaze for tanginess. If you want an extra burst of flavor, stuff each date with a spoonful of goat cheese or a crunchy almond before wrapping it in bacon. Gently press the date closed after stuffing so everything stays inside. Now take a half slice of bacon, wrap it around each date snugly, and secure it with a toothpick. Use thin-cut bacon so it crisps up perfectly in the oven. Place your bacon-wrapped dates on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for 20-25 minutes, flipping halfway through. For extra crispiness, broil for the last 2 minutes. Once they're golden brown and crispy, let them cool slightly, then drizzle with a little honey or balsamic glaze for extra flavor. Garnish with fresh rosemary or thyme for a gourmet touch. And there you have it, sweet, smoky, and absolutely delicious bacon-wrapped dates. Perfect for any occasion. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, what's your favorite party appetizer? See you in the next video.